Hello, welcome back to the channel. Hello. Today on Casting Call, Ali Fazal, somebody I've known professionally for many years. I've done about 5,000 interviews with him. Here's presenting interview number 5001, Ali Fazal. Hi, Ali Fazal. I adore you.
Hi, Sucharita. I adore your words and you and your T-shirt.
थैंक यू 4 सीजन्स टोटल लैंडस्केपिंग बिकॉज अब मैं यहाँ पर अमेरिका में हूँ तो अभी पॉलिटिकल ह्यूमर इधर का भी इन्वॉल्व कर रही हूँ अपनी लाइफ में
उधर तुम चल सकती हो विद दैट ह्यूमर. उधर तो तुम्हें कभी हाँ. Good.
Listen, how is Richa Chadda and will she give me an interview? Please ask.
Richa, will you give her an interview?
Anytime.
इसके बिल्कुल जैसे सब ना बंद हो गया अंदर. ये पूरी रात कुछ ऐसे शूट करके आई है.
Dear Lord, you guys are hardworking, yeah, but they were also very jealous of the international vacation you all managed to take. You went to Egypt, right? So many pictures and photos.
Yeah, man. I think that was like a little bit of a Sone Pe Suhaga. Even though we were worried कि यार in the middle of it we are going, but it was for good reason. For an actor to be called paid trip to watch movies and judge them. So I was like, great. El Guna Film Festival is happening. So yeah, and Egypt is such a अपने type लोग हैं वो. मतलब of course that when in doubt they go for Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan, two names that resonate in the entire culture. Apart from that तो मतलब super people.
Gal Gadot is in the news these days because her big film has just released. But what is she like in reality, in real person?
Very sweet. I'm so happy that that film is doing well. I mean, she was very passionate about it, but she's damn sweet. Yeah, कोई टंटे नहीं थे यार. I mean, we I remember we all met. Day one was the reading. They sort of full set it up and all the speakers and background scores and whatnot. Also उसी बीच में मतलब ऐसा Annette Bening भी है. वो मेरे लिए मतलब legend का legend. I think Army was the only one I knew from before because we'd done some tribute thing for Judy once.
Army Hammer.
Army Hammer.
Yeah.
So I
But
think beautifully executed by Kenneth Branagh.
Who is a legend in his own right. Every international project that you've done obviously has a story behind it, like how you managed to get it. And I know you've told me some of these stories when I've met you for like our radio interviews and stuff. There was this one audition that you gave where you were in Missouri and you shot a video on your phone and you sent it to your agents. Was that Fast and Furious or was that Victoria and Abdul?
That was Fast and Furious. I remember I'd finished Fukre. I'd taken the first holiday, 2-day holiday in Missouri and Landor. और मेरे दोस्त के साथ था. I remember Sagar Kokreja. He played Vin Diesel. उसका लाइफ का ऐसा हाई पॉइंट था उस दिन कि मैंने तेरे सीन में Vin Diesel play किया. And we improvised, yeah. That improvisation because of our circumstances turned out to be something they loved. So they started, wow, this is great. So within a week, I remember I was told to just fly down and I was there filming with these guys.
It's only the biggest film ever made globally, ever.
Yeah.
The biggest earning film ever globally. At that point of time, when Fukre did well for you and things seemed to be doing well, you were getting more and more attention. Why did you think that you needed to hire international PR and international agents and try out for international films as well? Genuine question, curiosity.
No, actually, I did not hire international PR. I did not, only at the time. In fact, even Victoria and Abdul, it was not because of my international agency. It is the weirdest story. I'll just say it now.
Say that.
It's been a while, right? So I'm the most confused when it comes to having agencies in India also. Up until now, for the first time, I've joined an agency.
Huh.
Otherwise, I had trust issues. Those are childhood issues. Anyway, so I finally had mustered up the courage and I'd gone to meet Reshma Shetty.
Who is a Bollywood agent, like one of the biggest ones that there is in Bollywood, right?
And I'm not with that agency, but I love her for just that one meeting because we're sitting there and she randomly says, hey, but I think you'd really fit this one movie and I think it's got Meryl Streep or Judi Dench or one of them.
Just casual name dropping.
So I was like, okay. But I think they finished casting. I think somebody in India is casting and yesterday or today was the last day, but you should try and just see your luck. All my colleagues and I think all the people now we know, I don't want to take names, everybody had gone for that. Then I called myself and I said, yeah, I think I got missed out, but I would love to. I'll record it. Phone पे तो आदत थी तो मैं phone पे भेज दूंगा record करके. तो भेज दे क्या जाना है. So and that's exactly what happened. We recorded 2 scenes. Of course, I forgot about it. And then 25 days later, I get a call saying they are coming down to India. They want to meet you for round two. Very happy. Of course, that meeting was a disaster. Imagine entering Taj Hotel, beautiful. Entering Taj ka one room, beautiful. Then suddenly this man, old grumpy man, is sprawled across the couch in his shorts. And he's grumpy because he has the Delhi belly. उन्होंने खा
Oh.
लिया, तो कुछ दे दिया गया है खाना तो स्टीफन फ्रियर्स स्टीफन चचा ने जो ऐसा मुंह बना के मेरा वो ऑडिशन लिया, इट वर्कड आउट.
Turned out great. मुंह बनाया कि Delhi belly हुआ कि diarrhea हुआ. It turned out great for you. But you and Dame Judi Dench are still friends, right? You guys have become pals, right?
I love her.
So like तुम लोग क्या WhatsApp करते हो एक दूसरे को या क्या Instagram करते हो एक दूसरे को? What do you do?
iMessage. She doesn't use WhatsApp. She used to have Sam, her grandson, help her message and everything. But now she's totally savvy. I kept in touch with her, and weirdly, this pandemic, she texted me twice, thrice, just so sweet, like randomly asking how are you, how's Richa, how's everything.
So how did you land Death on the Nile? Now coming to this,
they auditioned a year earlier, 2018 December or maybe 19 early. And I remember that first round of auditions, which is so weird. Life comes round. I have called my friend Isha Talwar.
Ah, yes.
An actor. So I said, listen, tu kya kar rahi hai? Help karegi? She was like, हाँ, chalo. So we've set up the whole scene at her house. Cut to, they announced that the film was shifted, and I thought it was not happening. So randomly, I got a call again. Saying it's happening. Kenneth loves your whatever, and so I said, okay, is he coming to India or I have to go? He said, nahi, aap ho, on ho, on. So I was like, oh, okay, ठीक है, on है. That man is something else. मतलब उसने 8 लोगों को. Sorry, while we are doing this, Richa, I said yes.
Yes, he is something else.
He is, but no, he is. On set. Imagine 8 people from all over the world.
Yeah.
Actors.
Yeah.
He made chits. He made chits that had our work in it. Just so that a quiz he played with us on the boat while we were going for our shot. Just so that we get to know each other and our works. Don French, Jennifer Saunders, Armie Hammer, Russell Brand, Rose Leslie, Gal, everybody.
So what was in your chit? Fukre 1, Fukre 2, Victoria and Abdul.
Victoria and Abdul, and Fast and Furious he used obviously because Gal and me have worked in the same franchise and something. So you have to answer. Jennifer Saunders was in Friends, the mother-in-law of Ross. Right. It was crazy. It was hilarious.
There is this thing that you've spoken about in interviews that Hollywood is doing now called colorblind castings. What is that?
If I really look at it, Death on the Nile is one of those examples because the cast is as diverse as it gets, but it's a classic Agatha Christie novel. It is as British as it gets. The part that was played that I'm doing was played by George Kennedy, Andrew Pennington.
Right.
I'm thinking Andrew Catchdoodle, which is again British. Not that it's bad or a good thing, but my origin was not mentioned, and for nobody else. So therefore, I'm a British guy.
Do an accent, na British accent, please.
नहीं, you will not make me. मैं ना उसके अब मेरी हालत खराब हो गई थी उधर.
How long did it take you to get the accent and stuff?
Not that long, but I used Kenneth's, like a little help. I mean, it's all the palette, right? And the way you modulate using breath and where your letters and consonants land, man. Sorry, I sound like a bit of a geek, यार. मैंने हमेशा मेरे दिमाग में वो blinker आ जाता है कि बेटा तू साइंस स्टूडेंट है, चुप हो जा.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं. मैं पिक्चर देखूंगी फिर तुम्हारे एक्सेंट को जज करूंगी. मैं कोई टेंशन वाली बात नहीं.
मुझे पता है कि तुम वहां धज्जियां उड़ाओगी anyway, so you might as well just see it there.
Who knows यार, अली, you're a good actor. तो मैं क्यों धज्जियां उड़ाऊंगी तुम्हारी एक्टिंग की? तुम अच्छी एक्टिंग करते हो इसलिए मैं तुमसे बात करती हूँ बार-बार. अच्छा ये बताओ कि विक्टोरिया एंड अब्दुल, एंड we've spoken about this briefly before, इतनी बड़ी फिल्म जिसको पूरी दुनिया ने देखा, अप्रिशिएट किया, आपका चेहरा ऑस्कर्स के बड़े स्क्रीन पर ऐसे आ रहा था when it was nominated for best costume. Like your face was there because you're wearing the costumes that were nominated, and I took a picture and I put it on my Instagram stories. I was just so proud, right? But after that, how did that translate to here, back home in the Hindi film industry?
I mean, of course, हमारे यहाँ एक रिवाज है कि आप जब वहां से यू टर्न लेके आओ तो सडनली आपकी चर्चा होने लगती है. थोड़ा एक वो हो जाता है ना कि अरे वाह बेटा वहां से आया है. तो वो I think syndrome हमारा हमेशा से, which is fine. I think it's natural because we as an industry started after that, right? It all began there, French cinema or English cinema, whatever. So Mirzapur was again like was a very separate, total end of a spectrum, which was another little surprise in my life. Considering only very few people were gunning for me at the time of casting for that, because I mean, even me as a producer at the time, knowing how the system works, would probably not cast an Ali Fazal in it. कि
Sweet
मतलब
romantic boy.
हाँ हाँ वो वाला है थोड़ा सटल वाला है
Hmm.
तो वो मैं नहीं हूँ मैं am anything but that but I don't think there was a direct translation ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि
Hmm.
shit because of that let's give him this
Hmm.
and kill him no which is fine I've not known that to happen I think at a very early stage in my career in Bollywood I've understood like मेरी okay so my first film is एक ठो चांस वो
Right.
फिल्म जो थी सईद अख्तर मिर्जा ने डायरेक्ट की थी वो फिल्म ही नहीं निकली बाहर
Right.
तो वो खाते से निकली नहीं उसके बाद मैंने फिर एक कैमियो किया ओके 3 Idiots में फाइन इट डज वेल एंड ऑल उसके बाद यू डू योर बिग लीड फिल्म शाहरुख खान इज प्रोड्यूसिंग एंड फलाना ढिमका एंड इट बॉम्ब्स मेरे लिए सडनली इट वाज लाइक ये भी देख लिया है ये भी है अच्छा ये भी होता है even when all the stars have aligned this also happens I was very naive I've been very naive and I've lost projects because of that like a big project in a big production only because I've asked for a script can you imagine automatically in a week's time casting had moved on
They
तो
ghosted
बाद
you.
में मुझे हाँ मुझे फिर फीडबैक मिला कि तुम पागल हो तुमने स्क्रिप्ट मांग ली ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड बताऊंगा तेरे को कौन सी फिल्म थी बट
अच्छा ठीक है बाद में बता रहा.
and that's how I started learning over the years. So I know
Yeah.
when Victoria and Abdul happened, I wasn't surprised. I know that I have to. It takes your one ticket to the box office madness, and then suddenly, ये हो जाता है. अरे 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 आप आइए हमारे मुंह पे बैठिए.
हमारे मुंह पे बैठिए. Come sit on my face. That is sexual, Ali.
Well, so yeah.
Awkward. Listen, but I'm really excited to see Death on the Nile. It's got some of the biggest names in contemporary storytelling involved. And now, because of the pandemic, I understand it's been pushed, and you guys have been doing little Instagram video promotions here and there everywhere. What is it looking like? When is it coming out finally? Have they decided a date yet?
Quite delayed, but it's
हाँ.
late. It's delayed with all these the James Bonds and the
बड़ी
Black
बड़ी फिल्में हैं,
Widows.
हाँ.
So we've gotten September.
अच्छा,
Uh,
तो time
2020
है
में.
अभी.
हाँ time है because they were supposed to release March, but then उनको भी गरम moment अच्छा चाहिए है. September is the end of the year where they will be able to flaunt it more. Also, we've shot it on film. This is 65 Panavision. I don't want to watch it on a TV here. So I don't know about the film, but I can guarantee you we look beautiful.
What are you doing until then? What's happening right now?
Fukre is happening. That is already set.
Yes.
Yes, my love. Okay. Yeah, Fukre is happening. There's another 2 projects which I'm very excited about. One is a Netflix project set for release mid next year. One is in fact, I'm going to send you the link for this other one I've done already. We've got a first edit ready.
Acha,
So,
lastly, one last question. I know you also are a filmmaker on the inside. आपको फिल्में लिख के बनानी भी है कि नहीं?
I mean, I wrote 2 scripts during the lockdown. Scripts nahi, matlab, I think I wrote stories, almost script-like, but I wouldn't call them scripts because I'm not great at screenplay and that requires education and
that's a specific skill set.
Chalo, but वो है मेरी एक मतलब मुगले आजम है जो मुझे बनानी है. वो कभी बनेगी इंशाल्लाह देखते हैं.
बना लोगे यार अब आप बहुत बड़े-बड़े लोगों के साथ काम करते हो आ जाएगी फंडिंग मूवी बनाने के लिए.
अभी पहले एक्टिंग ही हो जाए यार.
हाँ, correct. Eventually. Listen, thank you for giving me your time today. And thank you, Richa, for background commentary. And please give me interview also. Okay, I will text you.
Okay.
Sorry, I just woke up.
Hi.
Hi. We've done a crazy shift there for something.
I like your hair.
Thanks. Bye.
And thanks,
Bye.
Ali. Thank you for your time.
Yeah. When are you back?
I don't know यार. Hashtag जब तक है वीसा. क्या करना है वापस आके? मेरी कोई शूट्स तो नहीं हो रही मुंबई में.
नहीं हो रहा है वहीं रहो. ये हो रहा है ना इस पे सब.
Thank you.
Thank you, Baba.
Bye.
Right. Bye.
See, now that's done. I've got so much more. All I ask for is 1 like, 1 share, 1 subscribe from all of y'all. और अगर subscribe कर लिया है तो 2 shares. Okay, bye.
Thank you.